officers got the call. A man beating a woman outside a Goodwill. What they found when they arrived was far more complicated. A couple in crisis, a bag full of secrets, and two people whose lives were already unraveling long before the handcuffs came out.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, it's okay.
Because I told you to.
I haven't done anything.
No, sir, it's really
I haven't
okay.
done anything.
Don't walk away from
I
me.
haven't done anything.
Don't walk away from me.
I haven't done anything.
Turn around, put your hands behind your
No,
back.
sir.
It's okay.
Yeah,
I
turn
haven't
around,
done
put your hands
We're
behind
just
your back.
walking up to Goodwill. We have
No,
a
you
I haven't
won't.
done
Stop.
anything. No, sir. No, sir.
Stop.
No, sir.
Stop.
No, sir.
Sir, we have
Step
a
it
ride
up.
up at Goodwill.
No, sir.
Stop. Stop. Stop reaching for stuff.
I'm not. My arm is fucking broke.
I understand that. Calm down.
Calling the ride right now. They're really up at Goodwill.
Calm down.
Dude.
Walking to Goodwill.
Calm
I
down.
haven't done anything.
We got a call that you have. Calm down.
Where did you get a call from?
Somebody else, dude. I don't answer the phone calls.
No. No.
Hey,
No.
can you call this?
No.
Sir, can you call this? Hey, no. Please, sir, please.
Stop.
I haven't done
Stop.
anything.
Please. Daddy.
I haven't done anything.
I have to get this. No, I have to get this right. Sir, please. We were just going to the ride up at Goodwill.
All I did was yell.
Please.
122. Give me that description again.
Baby.
Hang on. Hang on.
I didn't touch her.
Hang on.
I didn't do anything.
Hang on. You have a green hat?
No.
They say white or black now. They say anything.
No, then just keep your hands right there, man.
I haven't done anything.
Was that her that just walked off?
That was a girl over there that walked off, yeah.
But I'm yelling at her. But we did not.
Okay, good, you're right.
Can I not yell?
Y'all good with him? You go with Paige if y'all good with
Am I
him.
not allowed
We're
to
good.
yell?
You want? Tell me what's going on, bro.
I'm literally just trying to get to the Goodwill so I can go. Because
So you can go where?
I'm literally trying to get to Ethan Drive. And then from there, on Monday, when she got to the DMV, we were supposed to go and get help for our relationship.
Okay, where's your ID at?
I don't have one,
What's your name?
but like I don't know what I'm being detained for.
Because we got a call that you were hitting a woman and knocked her to the ground.
I didn't hit a woman or knock her
hey,
to the
We're just
ground.
letting you know.
I'm telling you what I got a call
That's why
for.
we're here talking to you.
What is your name?
Figure out what's going on.
What?
Tell me your name.
Can I don't.
No, you can tell me your name.
I don't understand why I have to identify.
Because we got a call that you were hitting somebody.
Okay, but did it look like I was hitting anybody?
Was I here?
You pulled up like you knew what was going on.
I had details on what was going on before I got here.
Okay, and those details came from
Whoever called.
whoever called.
Yeah. I'm
So
not
if
the
I
dispatcher.
call-
I don't take the fucking
So
phone
if
call,
I
bud.
If I call on you and I say you're hitting a woman, you're
Then
just
the
gonna-
police have every right to show up, detain me, and identify who I am.
They don't unless they have seen you do it.
You're wrong.
No. You have to literally. You can look.
Okay, so here's the options. You can either identify yourself or we arrest you for obstruction. Those are your two options right now.
What is your government name on your birth certificate?
On my birth certificate. Why? Please explain to me why.
I'm done explaining to you.
I don't have to identify.
Well, unfortunately for you, you could not be more wrong than you are right now. Watch his arm. He's got a jacked up arm.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. Can I have a cigarette?
Nope.
No.
Why not?
Because I told you no.
Yeah. Hey.
Stand up.
Please.
No, stand up or I'm going to pull you up off the ground. You got on you.
Marijuana paraphernalia?
That is a narcotic
Okay.
in the state of Arkansas.
Yes, sir.
You also lied to me about your name.
I didn't lie to you.
You
about
did.
that.
What's your name? What is your government name? Exactly.
didn't lie to you about my name.
What's your name then? Go ahead, enlighten me. Tell me what your name is. Go. You have a fingerprint scanner on you? Okay.
He said he had nothing on him. He said he was trying to get sober, but the pipe in his pocket told a different story, and the officers weren't done yet. He'd also refused to give his real name, handed over someone else's ID, and was carrying a stranger's social security card. Every answer he gave only raised more questions.
Said what?
David Berry.
That's not it.
Berry.
Yes, it is. That is my friend's social security card that he left in the room.
So you've got somebody else's
He
social
literally
security
left
card.
his ID, his social security card. I also have a broken ID that is in my back pocket because I literally found it in the car that I rode in here yesterday.
So
and I
you
know
have
the
somebody
guy.
else's ID in your back pocket too.
I have someone else's jail ID from Pulaski County. I literally hang out with a crowd that literally does a lot of craziness.
How much today?
I haven't drank anything out of
Nothing at all. No, I didn't say out of that. How much have you drank today?
None.
Okay.
Ex-wife is an alcoholic. I had that because we had a room. I drank some of that last night. I literally just cleaned up the room in less than 20 minutes because I show up and literally she's having a conniption fit talking about how she needs money for the room. I said, look, we can go to Goodwill, we'll get a ride. I'm trying to get sober.
Well, you're doing a shitty job when
No shit, bud.
you got dope pipes on you and you're sitting here telling me you're trying to get sober.
No, I
Don't
have to
sit here
clean-
and lie to me. Just
No,
shut up.
I
If
have
you're
to
not going to be
clean-
honest,
I'm
then be
not- I'm
quiet.
not- If I told you the truth, would you even believe me?
Yeah, if you tell me the truth, but you're not telling me the truth.
No, I didn't tell you anything.
You've definitely not told me the truth.
Actually, I did.
Well, sue us.
I will.
Great.
All right, step out here. Okay. Why'd you run in here from me?
Because I was trying to tell him that I had to get to a bathroom. I've had diarrhea for days.
All right.
Like days. And
Come on.
I'm all sweaty and it's hot.
Huh?
What was wrong with the store you was in front of? Why didn't you go into Arby's?
Because I was trying to get closer, I thought that I could make it to the Goodwill where we had a ride. That's what I was trying to tell the first police officer. And then I told my dad on the phone, I was like, it is about to come out. I've got to go in here. And I panicked and I didn't know what to do because I don't have the pants with me right now.
All right.
I mean, it's not like I can hide it.
Put this down for me. Put your hands behind your back. I'm going to detain you right now, okay? Because we don't know everything that's going on. Okay. Hey.
Just cooperate and we'll figure it out. Don't think it hard so we can figure it out and be done with it.
Hey, just turn around. We got to figure it out, okay?
Can I please get a drink first? That's what I came in here for.
She had 2 bags or 1?
I thought she had 2. Did you have more than 1 backpack?
Walking from the hotel, I did, but I put it down in front of, I think it's Tamales, because it was his backpack. It wasn't mine. He said that my clothes were in the geographic backpack. So I put it down, that way he wouldn't
So
follow
there's nothing
me.
else in that bathroom when he goes in there?
My purse, not a backpack.
There's a purse in that bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay, but he's getting it.
That's why I looked back, and that's why I said, can I get my cards and stuff, because I was trying to get a drink. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to
you're
pull
good.
away from you. I'm trying
You're
to look
good.
at you.
So what happened over there with, is it your boyfriend or who's the...
Yeah, he was trying to get the phone, and I told him that I was trying to find a ride. And
So-
he just spun me around, and I fell on the ground, if that's what you're talking about. But it's fine. We were just trying to go over there to the Goodwill.
Did he hit you or anything?
No, not today.
All right, cool.
She'd admitted there were probably drugs in the bag. What officers pulled out wasn't weed, it was meth, and it wasn't a small amount. In that moment, a domestic dispute call had turned into something much more serious. The ride to Goodwill was never happening.
Why do we listen in there?
She was saying that she needed to see my face. And I was trying to finish because I didn't even wipe all
So
the
is there
way.
anything in these backpacks that you're not supposed to have?
I didn't pack all of that backpack, and
Here,
honestly,
walk
I
on the side
haven't.
over here so you don't fall.
Oh, okay. And he was in my purse before we left the hotel, but he said the checkout was at 11, not 12. And I thought that it was at 12.
So
we
is
were
there
already trying to
anything in
hurry.
these bags that you're not supposed to have? Is there drugs in these bags? Yes or no? Now's your time to be honest.
I mean, probably is now.
Okay. Which bag? This purse or the backpack?
Probably her. I didn't touch that pocket, I promise. Yeah, that's why I was digging in that one. There's nothing, I promise.
meth pipe?
Mm-hmm.
No, it is not a meth pipe.
What are you snorting out of it?
No.
That ain't a cigarette.
That's a one hitter, sir. That is a one hitter. Yes, sir.
One hitter for a meth pipe or crack or something. Not for tobacco.
It is for
Bullshit.
weed, sir.
Okay. Okay.
I promise.
Still illegal.
It's not meth. Why?
Still illegal.
So I got thrown on the ground and now I'm being arrested.
No, I'm putting you in here until I go through this bag.
Nope, nope, nope. You're not getting out. You can sit in the car and talk to. You'll be okay.
I have a cracked rib and a broken wrist. And when they pulled the bag, it literally you can see it, like how it's bending out right here. Where I was supposed to go on Monday at 10:10 to get a hard cast.
Okay. How'd you break it?
Well, I originally broke it skateboarding, but it is now unset.
Okay. Well, I have no way to determine that without an X-ray, so.
I wanted an ambulance, not.
Well, when you call an ambulance, you get us on top of the ambulance.
The ambulance comes too.
It's coming
Don't
too.
worry.
All right. So when you did this, you cracked a rib.
Sir.
Okay. So.
And that.
So nothing new today, other than
No.
it's aggravated.
No, it's been moved from where it was positioned by the doctor.
Okay. All right. So you want to go to the hospital to have a re-X-ray then? Is that what you're saying? Okay.
Is this all you had?
I do believe.
Huh?
I do believe you, sir.
Alright.
I just didn't know if that counted or not, and I didn't want to lie about it, and I was just.
Is there anything in that backpack or you don't know?
I really don't know.
You don't know?
No, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Did he hit you? Like, what did he just push you down? What happened?
So, you see the bruises on my arm?
Mm-hmm.
Can you look on the inside of my upper arm on this side? Is it a bruise on there?
I don't see anything.
Okay. My legs are a little bit bruised up, but
From this incident or
just,
prior?
Prior. I think I just hit my knee whenever I went down. And then, like I said, I was really just trying to get over there to the ride because they had to go back to work.
So what happened today though with him?
He told me to, where's my miracle ride? And I said that I hadn't called anyone, so I was trying to call one, and he asked to use the phone, and I said, well, after I get done, because I'm trying to call a ride. And he was trying to get it away from me, and I was in the middle of trying to call my dad back. And that was just, he was trying to get the phone. It really wasn't.
So what happened? Quit beating around the bush. What did he do? Did he push you down? Did he...
He was trying to reach around me to get the phone, and I was trying to get it, and he spun me around and out of his arm, and I hit the ground because these kind of went sideways. Like, oh gosh, I'm sorry, thank you.
Did he hit you in any way?
No.
No?
No, ma'am.
Do you have an ID? No? All right, give me just a second.
Can you push the hair out of my face, please, off my forehead? It's tickling my nose so bad. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. I don't think there's anything in there, Shane.
Do what?
I don't think there's anything in there. She don't know.
I wouldn't either if I had it.
At first she was like, yeah.
Please just send them that way. My hair's all in my face and I can't breathe right now. I had my bags are all packed to go to rehab
Right.
because we have to get out of
Move
this
your hands
house.
to the front.
We have to.
You need to calm. Hey,
We've
calm,
had to get
calm
all
down.
of our stuff out of this house by tomorrow.
All right, put your hand in.
And it's all that I have left in my sight.
And we're not throwing any of it away, okay?
No, the stuff at the house that I had to come out by today. I came that way I could get a ride to the storage because we're supposed to go to rehab and I had to get that stuff.
She came here trying to get a ride to rehab. He came here trying to hold things together. By the end, both were in handcuffs, both facing charges, and she was quietly handed a domestic violence lethality card by an officer who saw something she wasn't ready to say out loud. Sometimes the call that goes out isn't the real emergency. Sometimes that's just the one that finally gets answered.